Good day, YouTube. This is J Money with Falling Forward Financial. I got another MJ play here. I've been doing quite a few of these this week, and this one is actually on Robinhood. I was looking at some others and come across this one. Hadn't heard of this one yet, and here it is on Robinhood. If you're looking for a different platform outside of Robinhood, there's several links in the description. Feel free to get yourself some free stock. Who doesn't like free money? You can get the stock. If you don't like it, you can always sell it and take the money. So it's win-win. And again, this one is on Robinhood, and it's called Clever Leaves. Ticker is CLVR. I was actually going to do a video on this one last night and ran out of time. Wish I would have, because you can see the run-up that it's got here today. And I was actually going to talk about this one yesterday, but we'll see what happens with it. This one operates as a holding company. It produces pharmaceutical grade MJ. The company was founded on July 23, 2020, and is headquartered in New York, New York. The listed name CLVR is Clever Leaves Holdings and Common Shares. And as you know, New York just passed. Big things are happening in New York, and I've talked about some other New York company, MJ companies here on the channel just as of recently. So big things are going to be happening, I feel, in New York. So again, founded in 2020, $267 million market cap, and not a whole lot of volume on this one. 551,000, kind of small trading. I don't really see too much volatility with this one. We can take a look at it here. I mean, there is some, but kind of small volume. It's just going to move a little bit smaller than a lot of these particular plays, but it stays in this 12-13 range, and then it came down to the 982 here. So again, of you that want to buy this one, I apologize I didn't get this done yesterday, but again, I don't give tax, legal, or trading advice, but just another one to keep on your radar, and here's kind of what it's doing today. So could have made a dollar here on the trade, 10.75 up to 10.77 on up to 12.30. So not too bad of a trade if you're looking to trade it, but I'm long on a lot of these plays. So, but the company produces pharmaceutical grade medical MJ and hemp extracts. Clever Leaves Holdings serves customers worldwide, and again, headquartered in New York. Clever Leaves expands its presence in Brazil and Peru through Verdemed partnership, and this is just dated on the 1st. Leading multinational operator, licensed producer, Latin America pharmaceutical MJ company based in Toronto, Canada. Today, finished CBD products for Brazilian and Peruvian markets. The initial portfolio of products includes finished formulations of CBD oral solutions with different concentrates used for different indications. Verdemed supplies MJ products in Brazil under compassionate use model and has submitted applications to registered finished products in Brazil and Peru. The products manufactured under the partnership will be registered as pharmaceutical products and sold into distribution channels such as pharmacies and drugstores. And so, very big catalyst for this one, where it's going to be a distribution channel such as pharmacies and drugstores. That's eventually could be where some of these products are sold once legalization and everything gets going through. Again, that's just me being optimistic on these. I'm long on a lot of these, so I look at them for the long term. But Verdemed is an important player in the Brazilian market with existing access to patients and is well positioned to tackle the higher regulatory hurdles in Brazil and Peru. The partnership expands Clever Leaf's presence in one of the largest markets in South America. CEO of Clever Leaves, we are committed to increasing access for the millions of patients within the growing Brazilian and Peruvian markets, and they will soon have access to the high-quality products we produce thanks to Verdemed's network. Partnering with Clever Leaf aligns with Verdemed's mission to offer the best MJ products to all Latin Americans. CEO of Verdemed, Clever Leaf's products meet all of the regulatory and product quality standards in each of our key markets, and with the certifications distinguish their products and bring higher value to patients. And feel free to pause and go over the rest of the information there for yourself. As of 2020, September 2020, almost 8,000 patients were registered in Verdemed, Peru's Drug Regulatory Authority database. This goes over a little bit more about Verdemed. They bring affordable MJ-based pharmaceuticals to doctors and patients in Latin America and all countries and all jurisdictions legally authorized to sell medical MJ. And so, very interesting where they're starting to work with some products in their pharmacies, and where the pharmaceuticals to the doctors and the patients. Very interesting, and it's all baby steps. It's just going to get bigger steps, and it's just a growth we got to get through. And once it becomes legalized, these are just, I feel, just going to be huge. They could be as big as some of the other pharmaceutical companies out there. This kind of goes over a little bit more about Clever Leaves as a company with an emphasis on ecologically sustainable large-scale cultivation and pharmaceutical-grade processing as the cornerstones of its global MJ business, with operations and investments in the United States, Canada, Colombia, Germany, and Portugal. Clever Leaves has created an effective distribution network and global footprint and foundation built upon capital efficiency and rapid growth. Clever Leaf aims to be one of the industry's leading global MJ companies, recognized for its principles, people, and performance while fostering a healthier global community. And feel free to pause and go over the rest of the information there for yourself. Again, you can find that on Yahoo Finance. Clever Leaf reports fourth quarter and full year 2020 results. The fourth quarter and full year ended on 12/31/2020. All financial information is provided in U.S. dollars unless otherwise indicated. Revenue increased 28% to $3.3 million compared to $2.6 million. All-in cost per gram of dry flower improved 15 cents per gram compared to 22 cents per gram. Gross profit increased 52% to $2.3 million compared to $1.5 million. Net loss improved $11.6 million compared to $18.3 million, which I would say is quite a difference. Adjusted EBITDA, full year 2020 highlights, and feel free to pause and go over the information there. So it looks like they're growing the financials. And the thing I like about this one is it already trades on the Nasdaq, so that's got to say something for this company. And you can buy it on all the brokerages, so see what Reddit says here. 9 days ago, 4th quarter earnings. I just went over that. holy price action, Batman. 1 hour ago. Anybody got any news that would explain the jump? Went over this. Presence in Brazil and Peru. I can't talk today. Brazil. Seen this morning solid. Again, I wish I would have did this video yesterday, but gotta love stock twits. Tilray, Afria, Hexo. I've covered all of these. Weed Maps running. I've covered that one as well. Soon to change ticker to Maps is lagging. Nice loading opportunity for this long run. Best MJ tech play out there, in my honest opinion. I covered this one a while back. I might have to look at that and do an update on that one. But yes, they're going to be changing their ticker to Maps. So it's currently SSPK. It's a little Cheech and Chong action there. So nice VWAP bounce. And yes, it has had a very nice day today, and no, it is not on tip ranks, but one more look here at Clever Leaves. So a very nice day going on with it today. If you'd have followed this trend down and bought yesterday on the dip, you'd be up quite a bit, so almost a little over $2. So we will see how this one continues and see what the future brings for this one. So, had a nice spike up there back in February. Wow, that was a really nice spike, and it's just been down since then. So it might be on its way back up to 19. You never know, but some people made put good money right in there. But that is all I have for Clever Leaves. If you have this one, go ahead and leave it in the comments, along with how many shares you have and any thoughts on this one. Like I said, I was just researching some other MJ plays and come across this one in an article, and thought since it's on Robinhood, I'd do a quick video, since a lot of people still trade on Robinhood. And if you're looking to get away from Robinhood, like I said, I have numerous links. Webull, Firstrade, Moomoo. There's all kinds of platforms that I use. They're all in the description. Feel free to use one or all of them and get yourself some free money. So who doesn't like free money? So if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing. That would really help out the channel, as well as getting the videos out to some other people and break that YouTube algorithm. And hit that bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. So again, this is J Money, Falling Forward Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.